Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best gate coaching in your area, East Delhi? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 6 institutes for best gate preparations in your area, East Delhi. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us move to the video. One of the most leading coaching center in the education sector. It provides best online coaching, which is definitely a need of the hour in this pandemic situation. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.toppersacademy.app. So you should definitely connect to the institute once, as it is a rank 1 institute and provides best coaching. At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone is a great and best platform for preparation of NEET. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. When you will connect to the institute, they will provide you a completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. A counseling session will be provided to the students, and that too completely free of cost. Hence, students can ask their queries with expert mentors regarding which institute will be best fit for them according to their course. Therefore, it is a great platform and opportunity for the students who are more likely to be confused. Hence, you should definitely avail this opportunity and must once call the Hindu Zone Institute. It will definitely be helpful. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have Triumphant Institute of Management Education, that is Time Institute. Time is a leading coaching institute for many entrance examination, including GATE. The centers of Time is located all over the India, and many students of this institute crack different entrance and competitive examination with excellent ranks and marks. Now let us discuss some of the course details of the institute. So, the GATE course details are as follows. Number 1, classroom course for GATE, and number 2, GATE correspondence course. The address of this coaching institute is office number 108, first floor, Lakshmi Deep Complex, area is Lakshmi Nagar, Delhi 110092. The contact number of the institute is 45873601, and their website includes www.timeforeducation.com. At rank 4, we have Super Profs Institute. This institute is founded in the year 2004 and has a group of faculties who focuses on clearing out the crises and problems of the students by scrutinizing their progress. Now let us discuss some of the GATE course details offered by the institute. The very first is classroom courses for GATE, number 2 correspondence course for GATE, and at last and very important and the need of the hour, online courses, that is online coaching for GATE. The address of this institute includes number 62 Main Vikas Marg above Mobile Store, Lakshmi Nagar, Delhi 110092. The contact number of the institute is 806-7683-901, and their website includes www.superprofs.com. At rank 5, we have Career Launcher Institute. Career Launcher is one of the best coaching institute for engineering entrance examinations in India. Faculty members are highly qualified and professionals. Now let us discuss the GATE course details offered by Career Launcher Institute. The very first is classroom course for GATE, number 2 correspondence course for GATE, and number 3 online coaching for GATE. The address of this institute includes Nirman Vihar number 207, second floor, DDA building, Lakshmi Nagar, Delhi 110092. Their contact number includes 011 2244 The website of the institute is www.careerlauncher.com. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 6 institute, is Premier Institute. Premier Institute is an educational coaching center which gives proper coaching to the students who are aspiring for GATE examination. This institute have good faculty members with excellent qualification and experience. Moreover, they are well experienced and are gold medalists in their specific subjects. The address of this institute includes number D223 Lakshmi Nagar, Delhi 110092, and the landmark is near metro station and the gate number is 5. The contact number of the institute includes 96544 Apart from this institute, you can also go for Aryan classes. Aryan classes is one of the best coaching for GATE examination. The faculty members of this institute are truly dedicated to their students for their studies. Moreover, mock tests and problem finding session is carried out by them by knowing the problems of the students. Now let us discuss its address, contact number and the website. So the address of Aryan coaching is number 5 Vishwas Nagar, Delhi 110032, and the contact number is 01122305075. The website of the institute includes www.aryanclassesonline.com. So friends, these were our top 6 institutes for best GATE preparations in your area, East Delhi, particularly in Lakshmi Nagar. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.